Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha, and today I am trying a new type of video. I am going to be showing you guys my kit lineup for both my main planner and my memory keeping planner for the month of May. I have them all stored in this accordion, which if you have been around for the last 6.5 years will look very familiar to you. I have had this for forever, and I have all 5 weeks for both my main and my memory keeping planner inside of here. And so I'm going to walk you through what kits and what foils I think I'm going to be using. I am pretty set on the kits, but I sometimes change my foil up last minute. Foil's more of like an inspiration thing to me. I'll just have a gut feeling in the moment, an instinct, so to speak. So I can't guarantee with 100% accuracy that this is the foil I will be using, but this is what was speaking to me when I was pulling my kits and sort of evaluating what was going on. What foil I pick can also change if I find a simply gilded washi that matches the kit perfectly and I want to, pull that foil color in, if it's something that works. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the kits that I'm going to use in my main planner and then my memory keeping planner. So for the first week in May, which is the split week between April and May, I am using this Candyland themed kit from Scribble Prints Co. that I believe was part of her Cyber Monday mystery bundle. It's my brother's birthday week, and sort of an inside joke is how much he hates Candyland. It is something that he absolutely can't stand. When we were little kids, he used to flip the board over. So I thought it would be like, we joke about like, oh, Charlie want to play Candyland and stuff like that. So I thought it would be funny to use it for his birthday week. And also it has the old April and May colors in it. And I know I haven't used a colorful planner in a very long time, but I still think about that sometimes, so I thought this would be perfect. And then I believe I will be using the Lavender Hollow foil with this candy detail on the boxes. So that is what I believe will be going on with the foil stitch for this kit. I just pulled out one sheet of a lot of the foil things just to sort of give you an idea of what I'm going to be doing. And then for the second week of May in my main planner, I'm going to be using Cinco de Mayo by Pink Diamond Planner Co. And I believe this was exclusive art from her shop, and I am absolutely obsessed. This week, Cinco de Mayo and Mother's Day are the same week, so I'm doing Cinco de Mayo in one planner, and as you will see later, I'm doing Mother's Day in the other. And I am absolutely obsessed with this kit. Of course, I got all of the extras and I'm very excited to use it. And with all these bright colors, I knew I wanted to pull in a fun foil. So I believe I'm going to be using this pinky purple foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co. It just sort of works with both the purple and the hot pink in there. And there's honestly so many colors going on that I feel like you could really pull in any kind of green, blue, purple, orange. You could do rainbow foil. You can do any of the core foils and it would work with this. And I wanted to utilize one of my like pink purple foils. So I think this is the one that I'm going to go with. It feels like it's going to be a whole lot of fun. And then I'm going to be using the leftovers from this kit that I did film a memory keeping spread with, a very white space memory keeping spread, so I didn't use very much of this kit. I'm going to be using this in my main planner, and I will once again be using this floral rose gold foil bundle from Scribble Prints Co. It just pairs so beautifully with this. I might pull in a secondary foil for scripts because I don't really have very much in the rose gold. Either way, I wanted to do a full no white space spread with this kit. I tend to do no white space in my main planner, and then I've been leaning more towards white space and more experimental planning in my memory keeping. So I'm excited to get to use all of these beautiful boxes. This full box, like the watercolor set on here, just speaks to me and it makes me happy. So I'm very much looking forward to using this again. And then for the fourth week in my main planner, I'm going to be using the Magic Land kit from Scribble Prints Co. I am obviously not going to Disneyland, but I just love using Disney kits. I think they're fun and I love the colors in this. this blue is one of my favorite colors of all time. And then I will be using the Lavender Hollow Park Hopper foil with this because it's just so perfect, and I really love Lavender Hollow. It works so well with any kind of pink, purple kit. Just, it's a go-to for me. And then last but certainly not least, I will be using this Farmer's Market kit from Scribble Prints Co. I believe this was a mystery kit last year, and I did use it in my main planner last year, but it happened during the weeks we were moving, and I feel like I didn't get to really like enjoy it to its full potential. And there's so many extras. There's 2 extra colors that she added on in the reformat, and even more beautiful full boxes. And I think I'm gonna do some kind of combination of this silver floral foil bundle and the leaves, and then might pull in just some basic like silver stroke boxes, like the simple rectangular boxes, because I don't know that I will use these on every box, but I thought this would work really well since this is a very leafy, you know, flora heavy kit. I'm very excited to use this. I think this is a great like spring summer transitional kit. And then moving into my memory keeping planner for the first week, again for my brother's birthday, and we are having a little small family get together party for him. I am going to be using this birthday kit. What is it called? Sprinkles from Scribble Prints Co. I have a bunch of birthday kits that I never end up using. My birthday's in October, and I pretty much always end up using a fall or a spooky themed kit. I never end up using these kind of more generic birthday kits. I just thought it would be fun for a birthday in general, and I think I'm just gonna use silver foil with this one. I really like how silver looks with purples and blues, and I will actually get to use a birthday kit for once. Next up is the second week in May, which is Mother's Day, and I thought this brunch themed kit would work really nicely. I am going over to my parents' house on Mother's Day for Mother's Day brunch, so appropriate. And I love this blue color in here, and there's an old format Scribble Prints Co. foil bundle that has, and it's hard to pick up this blue on camera, but it is like the same tone as the blue in that like the color blue that's in this kit, and it works really beautifully with the coral. Like they contrast each other really nicely, but I think I might also pull in some gold foil. I feel like the leaves will work really beautifully with this, or even like the gold twinkle. So I'm cool with mixing and matching foils. I do it all the time when I use fun foils, and I feel like the blue and the gold will work really nicely with this kit. And then of course, since it is May, you know, Mer-May, I wanted to use some mermaid themed kits, and this is a reformat of some older kittenish Jess art that Andrea did, and I am obsessed. I used the old version. I'm excited to use the reformat, and I will be pulling in this hollow blue teal color. Andrea actually has 2 blues that are very similar to this, and this one's just like a hair lighter than the other one, and I was going back and forth over which one I wanted to use, but I feel like this works. This has like a little bit more green in it when the light isn't hitting it head on, so that is what I decided to go with. But really any like pretty blue fun foil or purple foil, like a hot pink, would work with this, but I'm a blue girl. Blue is my favorite color. And then for the 4th week in May, I am finally going to be using the April 2021 mystery kit. I have moved this around so many times. I've had this planned for so many weeks over the last year, and I keep not using it, but I'm finally going to use it, and I'm not entirely sure what foil I want to use with this, so let me know in the comments down below what you think I should go with. I was debating between hollow or sparkly hollow. I don't know exactly like what to do, or silver. I feel like silver would like be really pretty, because even though this is like a very demure, like the full boxes, it has really fun bright colors. So I don't know. I feel like any of the foils would look good with it, but I just wasn't sure which one to go with, you know? But that'll be my 4th week in May for memory keeping. And then once again, Ending things on a mermaid note, I wanted to use the April 2022 mystery kit, which is again mermaids, and this is more neutral mermaids, and I wanted to pull in the matte bronze wiggle from Scribble Prints Co. because it kind of feels like sand and it really matches the sand color that's in here. I just thought it would complement the neutral sandy beachy tones in here really well. So yeah, that'll be the 5th and final week in May. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you like these kit lineup videos. I feel like I have started seeing them all over the place and I was like, I guess I can do that. And I asked you guys on Instagram and a bunch of you guys said you wanted to see it. So let me know if I should keep doing these or not. I don't know. It's like a super easy video to film. So let me know what you guys think and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye guys!